Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to highlight an entire row based on a certain condition in Google Sheets. So as you can see in this example, we have two different sales, one on June 1st and one on June 2nd. And the first one was shipped and the second one was not. And what we want to have happen here in this example is that if the item was shipped and the item or the box is checked off, the entire row for that order will be highlighted green. So to do that, I will highlight this entire range, go into Format, and then Conditional Formatting. And in this Format Cells If box, I'm going to scroll down and do a custom formula. And the formula will be equal to $F3 because column F is the shipped status. And then you can see it's already highlighting green. I'm just going to change the color and then hit done. And that's all you have to do. And you can see if we check off the June 2nd one as shipped, now they're both green. And if we uncheck, they're no longer green. And you can do this without checkboxes. You can do it for other conditions as well. So in this next tab, let's say we just write yes or no if the item is shipped. And the formula is very similar. You just have to add one extra thing. So again, let's highlight this range, Format, Conditional Formatting, and then go to a custom formula again. And you start the same way, equals $F3, except this time you add another equals, and then in quotations, the word yes, or whichever word you would like to use for your example. So again, I will change the color to green and then hit done. And now if we change this to no, it's no longer green. Yes, it goes back. And if you do anything besides the word yes, it will not be green. And again, it doesn't have to be a yes or no thing. So we can edit this formula. Let's say we want the word to be shipped. So now you'll see yes is no longer green, but if we change it to the word shipped, it will be green. So that's basically it. Those are two simple ways you can highlight an entire row based on a text, based on a word that you select, or based on a checkbox like here. So I hope you learned something from this. If you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe if you have not yet already. Thanks for watching.